Hello everyone, so I want to show you how to use paintbrush. First I created this plane. After you need to convert in editable poly, then click show ribbon. Then we need to choose push brush. You can play with the settings. Now it's kind of small. I need to make it bigger, maybe. And you just need to press click. Also you can change the stretch. Like this. Oh, and we're starting to paint. Let's say we want to smooth this vertex. You can choose relax. Let's say 50. Too much. Be 5. Also shift tool is very useful. I use it always in my projects. So click shift here in options. I'm blocking X and Y. Only Z is active. This gives us movement only on Z axis, like this. Holding Control and mouse left click, we can change the size. With a shift and mouse click, we can change fall off. Let's say we like our base model. Now we can add more segments. I choose Turbo-Thermus, convert to poly, choose in push brush, and we're starting painting again, adding more details on the surface. In paintbrush options, we can click here and we see this. So this is a default settings. We can change our brush to this one. It gives us this type of the brush with the hard edges, and just click and paint. If we hold shift when push brush active and holding shift, it will automatically goes to the soften brush. So you don't need always click back. Here, smooth, and then just hold shift. Also you can play with these settings, but I never use this, only this. Let's change to this type of the brush. Also, if you hold Alt, it will push down. Without Alt key, it will go up. Holding Alt, you see? And also you can play with these brushes. This one is make a flattened surface. Noise brush. So that's it.